What are the options of becoming a Cyprus tax resident? That's an interesting topic. And
Yes.
what are the regulations around that?
To become a Cyprus tax resident, it means that you need to be living in Cyprus at least 60 days or more than half of the year, which is the known 183 days. Whether you're in the UK or in India or in the US, if you want to become a Cyprus tax resident, first, you need to be living in Cyprus at least 60 days or more than half a year, and you should not be living anywhere else more than 6 months. And of course, you should not be considered as a tax resident anywhere else in the world unless your tax experts decides with the Cyprus tax experts that you will have dual tax residency, which is rare. Commonly, you need to be living in Cyprus, running a business here in Cyprus, and be an employee of your company. These are the requirements. You can be staying in hotels, you can be renting Airbnb, as long as you have an address and you prove that you've been in Cyprus either 2 months or 6 months, which is the global taxation benchmark where each jurisdiction considers you a tax resident of a specific country.
What is the difference between the 60-day residency and the 183-day residency?
The 60-day residency is a unique tax scheme that Cyprus invented, approved by the European Union, and enables anyone who is living in Cyprus more than 2 months, which are the 60 days, to be considered as a Cyprus tax resident. If you don't take this scheme, maybe you do not want this scheme. If you're coming and staying here anyway more than 6 months, by definition, you will be considered as a Cyprus tax resident because you are living. By
definition, so you have to pay local taxes. What
of course.
You need to do your exit from your country properly, close
that's a very
the
good
taxes
point, Pavlina.
there.
That's a very good point, yes.
Because if somebody takes their stuff, they're a digital nomad, and they just start living in Cyprus.
No, you've touched a very good point.
Will the government go after them?
Yes.
Where do they pay taxes? Yes. Because many people do that.
Yes. This is a golden nugget that you've just given to the audience. If you're changing your tax residency or you're relocating, and especially if you are a UK citizen, a USA citizen, a Canada citizen, German citizen, or a citizen of any developed country, you need to make sure that you know inside out your exit laws. These are the laws, the tax laws that are called exit laws, and these are the requirements that you need to meet so that your local tax office will consider you that you have properly changed your tax residency.